Abatuura muri Lyantonde bahireyo kwetombaita ku Eibura ry'amaizi of Minister Beatrice Akelo owa Economic Monitoring abaire nahendera orutayo rwe orw'okushijuma enshoza ya sente za government omuri Lyantonde.
Kale mbona abona gye tubona muwano ey'okubona abona tugajja wala naye singa gabeera wano situbona abona
kidomolo kyameka
kya 12
Tuna mizi omusana kuturi kubi turi abo kufa kidomane kye 12 tugatahade amezi gari kubi batuyambe government yetuyambe
azuma tukateka umushana gw'amani abo kuba kurwoko rwa kabiri kustiyade kwa munana nedamo bagifura bakagifura umushana tukatunga gamezi
amagombora nkakariro Chamuka hamwe na kashagama ngo gacuruseyo okuteganisibwa Eibura ry'amaizi.
The challenge we have right now is the shortage of water. The well we are extracting water from has drastically dropped, and we are extracting very little volumes of water.
Minister Akelo ashabira bebembezi okushijuma Mbarara ya district okumaraho ebizibu nkebi.
What I would like to request the Ministry of Water is to do a very good feasibility study and design. When they're doing the design, they should take into considerations all these conditions that comes afterward, like lowering of the water level, so that when they plan that a system that they are installing will take like 25 years. At least it should be 25 years, because this one after 9 years the system is collapsing.
Enyuma ho sente zirikuhika biliyoni 3 zikashohozebwa okubasakora amaizi mu district ya Lyantonde konka amagombora maingi nagatuura omu Nkaramata. Gashakwa Sande William.